Hello friends, today we will discuss about art integrated project of physics.
Do you all know where the sun we see is not actually there, and at the time of sunrise and sunset the sun is seen as daisy. Sun appear 2 minutes before the sunrise and 2 minutes after the actual sunset. Now you are thinking that what is actual sunset and sunrise? All this phenomenon is happening with the sun because our atmosphere reflects the light, and today in this video we will learn about that.
So here is the earth and sun. We think that sun is rotating around the earth and says that sun is rising, but in reality that's not happen. You will be fascinated after knowing that in reality earth revolves around the sun, and that's the real reason behind sunrise and sunset. So just imagine that you are standing on earth and looking towards the horizon. Do you know what is horizon? Let me explain. Horizon is a straight line from earth. We can see all the things above horizon, but unable to see that thing below it. At present, the sun is below the horizon, so we cannot see this because sun rays are not coming toward earth as it is blocked by earth. But when the sun comes above the horizon, we can see it.
And in this scene, the sun is looking just like this, and this is called actual sunrise. But till now, we were not talking about the atmosphere, so let us make it. Although the sun is down, so there is no need to see anything. But let us make some rays and see what happens. If there is no atmosphere, then the sun rays will go straight. But there is atmosphere and the sun rays is entering in the air, and in air the light slow down, and in vacuum the light become faster, and there is change in speed. That's why the ray will refract slightly. Now this light is bending, and here our brain produces the rays backward, and where we see intersection, so we will conclude that the sun appear in the point of intersection, and finally we can see the sun. The sun is below the horizon, but due to refraction we are able to see the sun. Do you know, as compared to Gujarat, the sun rises earlier in Arunachal Pradesh. I have a question that is related to Gujarat. The question is, the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? If you know the answer, then please comment. I hope you have commented. If you don't know the answer, then the answer is the longitudinal gap between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat is about 30 degrees. Due to this, there is a time lag of about 2 hours between these states. Since Arunachal Pradesh is in the east and the sun rises earlier here compared to Gujarat, the Indian Standard Time is taken from the time of standard meridian of India, and hence the watches show the same time in both the states.
So we have seen about refraction of light. Let's see what is scattering of light and where it happens. Whenever you have woke up early in the morning and gone for a walk, you have seen that sky is in reddish color, and also in at the time of sunset sky is in reddish color. This also happen in the large amount or in large scale in the side of Gujarat areas because sun rises from the side of east direction, or we can see that east India side. So let's see and learn more about what is scattering of light.
So sunrise at early morning and sunset at evening, sun appears reddish color. This is why. Well, this is all because of scattering of light. At morning or at evening, sun is far away from us, so light is traveling from a very large distance. And as we know that red color scatters less because red color has more wavelength than other colors. So question arises that what about afternoon? Why sun appears white? So at afternoon sun is nearest to us, so scattering of light is more and wavelength is less, so it appears white in color.
There is one more reason why sun looks reddish. That is why when sun emits light, it passes from atmosphere. There are many particles like nitrogen, oxygen, which scatters the light, but red color wavelength is much more than, or we can say that higher than other colors. So it enters the atmosphere, and at the time of evening and in the time of morning, the sky looks reddish. That's why the reason of scattering of light.
I hope our video is very helpful to understand scattering of light and reflection of light. So thank you.